breathe into your chest until you can't, until it sort of hurts a bit, and then just hold your breath for as long as you can. And at the moment you think you're going to die, hold it for like half a second longer and then let it out. And that, for me, cures the hiccups.
I'm trying it now, but I don't have hiccups.
Yeah, it's also not brilliant for radio.